Respected students, today I start Glenbrook City Planning Division assignment. This assignment is about the same, and I introduce myself in a little time. I am a teacher and I do assignment, quizzes and exam for you. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp and through email. I can do assess assignment, mathematic assignment, accounting assignment, Excel account assignment, Word assignment, and PowerPoint assignment. If anyone hire me as a teacher, as a tutor, I can help you and guide you. With a very reasonable price, I do your task. So without wasting your time, I start today the task. This is the first step, that is getting started with save file np wd 365 2021 3a first last name 1x as a np. It means this file we have to download and then save and open it. Already I downloaded and open it. This is the file on which we have to apply the instruction and to do the work. This is the first instruction point. This is a little introduction about this assignment. And next, these are the project steps. By using these steps, we complete the assignment. In the first step, I firstly bold it and increase its size so you can easily see it. I highlighted it as a yellow color. You are a first step I study. You are a member of the Glenbrook City Planning Division and are completing the final draft of the division's report on neighborhood development project. Start by using navigation pane to format heading and refine the organization of document as follows. First A point of this assignment is this demote the area of study heading so that it uses the heading to style. Dear student, in the first step A, in the para A, we have just demote the area of study. This is assignment, and this is the area of study that we have to demote it. Okay, first doing this area of study to demote view, we firstly move into the home tab, then into the view, and after going to the view, we just click on the navigation pane, and this is the area of the study. Right click on it and just demote it. Okay, we demoted the area of study. This is the uh, first step of instruction A. The next step is that promote the next step heading so that it uses heading 1 style. Now we have to change the next steps into promote. I see here where is the next step. And this is the next step, and this should be in the promote. Right click on the next step and just promote it. This is the step number 1 that I have completed. Now move toward the point number 2. I just increase its size, firstly bold it and increase its size to 11, make it yellow as a highlighted form. Okay, in 2 point, instruction number 2 on page 2 in blank paragraph in the urban village design section, insert and format an informative diagram as follows. The instruction number 2 have 3 points, and first point is insert insert basic vein smart art from the relationship section of the smart art gallery. Okay, in first step we have to place the basic vein smart art from the relation section of the smart body, and this should be in the on page 2 in blank paragraph urban village design. Dear student, this is the one page and this is the next page. This is the urban village design, and we have to place here. Instruction says that what we have to place. Once again I study, insert a basic vein smart art from the relationship. So we have to place here smart art relation. Okay, we just move into the insert, and this is the smart art, and this is the relationship, and now we have to place here basic vein, and this is the basic vein. Just click here and OK it. This is the basic vein. Now next step of this assignment says that in point B of instruction 2, enter the text shown in the figure 1 into the smart art with each word displaying in separate smart shape. Okay, now we have to place the words in this basic vein smart. What are the words? These are the words in the figure 1. We have to place housing, then zoning, then transit. Firstly, I place a right housing. Click on the text and write here housing. Housing, and then zoning, and then transit. This is all about the step number 2 of the instruction 2. Now step C of the instruction says that resize the smart art to height of 2.4 and width of 5 inches. Okay, now we have to change its size. Height should be 2.4 and width should be 5. Select it and go to the format. Its size should be 2.4, height should be 2.4, and width should be once again I see here and confirm the instruction. Instruction says height 2.4 and width 5. And height 5. Okay, this is the resize. Now here student, so far I completed its 2 step. Now I move to the next step, that is step number 3. I increase its size, make it bold, and make it highlighted. Step number 3 says that in the blank paragraph in the designated funding section, show the funding received by the inserting a table with 3 columns and 4 rows, and then entering the data shown in the table. Okay, dear student, here we just do it here. We place a table having three columns and four rows, and then this table, then this table we have to place there. Okay, in the designated funding section. I see where designated funding section. This is the designated funding section and place here a table having three column and four rows. I see once again three column, four rows. On the insert option, click on the table and insert a table. How many? Three columns and four rows. Just OK it. This is the table. Now I place here the data here. Just copy this data and place here. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Okay. One by one I copy and place. Or another mean I try to copy all and now place here. Okay, this is the place there, and I just remove the bolt. This is all about the. This is the step number 3. We have placed the data in this table. Okay. Now I move toward the step number 4 and make it bold, increase its size. Sorry, increase size, and I make it yellow. In instruction number 4, instruction says that format the table as follows to suit the design of document. First step of the instruction 4, apply grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. Okay, now we have to change the table style to table 5 dark accent 1. Select the table and go to the design, and I find where this grid table 5 dark accent 1, this style we have to apply it on this table. Okay, is applied here. This is the instruction E of the point 4. Now instruction B of the instruction number 5 says that remove the first column table style option. Now we have to remove the first column from the table style section option. For this, once again we select the table and go to the layout, sorry, go to the design, and this is the first column that we have to remove. Unmark it. Okay, and I remove the first column. Now so far I completed the fourth step of this assignment. Dear student, this assignment have total of the 10 step. From the 10 I completed the fourth step, and one more step mean 5 step I completed that will complete for you, that is 50% of the assignment. If any student need this assignment or any other assignment related to Excel, SAM, Word, PowerPoint, mathematics, computing, and are my related to IT lab courses, you can contact with me, and any of the other uh, need tuition, you can hire me for the tuition purpose. I am a teacher. I deal you as a teacher student relation, and I give you uh, as much low as I can, and you can contact with me at my given WhatsApp number or my ID, email ID given here. Now I start the step number 5 of this assignment. Make it bold and I increase its size, highlight it, and I read the step number 5. On page 3, now I move toward the page number 3. Before this, we have worked on the page number 1 and 2. Make the following changes to the table after the additional funding heading so the table is easier to interrupt. Now we have to change some changing, and this changing should be after the additional funding. Okay, first change what we have to do in the step A, uh, sort the table in descending order by good column. In the good column we have to apply descending order. We have to apply descending order. Okay, and the additional funding, after the additional funding we have to do this work. Okay, this is a page number 3 and this is the additional funding. I lay down it. This is the additional funding and this is a table where we have to apply descending order and on the good option. Okay, I go to the home. I see here where is the in sort option present. Maybe this is in the layout. Okay, in the layout this is the sort option and this is the good where we have to apply it. If the instruction says area, poor, fair, total, then we click on here. Here instruction says on the good we have to apply descending order. This is the descending. If instruction says ascending, then we click on here. So here instruction says this should be in the descending. Just click on this descending and OK it. We applied the instruction E of the instruction number 5. Okay, now move toward the instruction B, and B says that in the blank cell of the table insert a formula that sum the values to the left using 0% number format. Now in the blank cell we have to apply a formula that is the sum from the left side and using 0%. Okay, this is a blank and this is the blank table where we have to apply the formula, and now I move in the formula tab. This is the formula. Click here and remove the 100% and we have to apply at 0%. This is the 0%. Just OK on it. We get the result. And now I move toward the C instruction of the instruction number 5. And in the 5 says that resize column A and the area column to the its best fit position. Now we change the column A into the best fit position. Just double click on it. When you double click on it, this column A should be in the best fit position. Respected students, I completed 50% of the assignment, mean 5 points, and total assignment contain 10 points. Any of my students, old student or new one, need solution of this same assignment or any Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, Excel assignment, you can contact with me. I guide you and charge you as low as I can. I hope you convey my message to all other students. Thank you very much.